Hello, if you need a resetter for Epson C110, you can download this application at Mediafire, and you can extract this software. I read in link download at description. Okay, after that you finish the download. You can see the Indo Resetter C110. Extract the file. But don't run this software before you change the date. For Epson C110, you can change the date before you running this resetter. You must off and change the date at 11 April okay, change. You can change and you can see the date is changed 11 April 2008. Okay, you can run the program. Click the application. Okay, set. Select particular adjustment mode and you can run clear the most ink pad counter. Okay, it's already finishing. Can close and quit. This is simple. Okay, sorry for a bad language. Thank you.